really late out right now that I'm recording. This is it's 6:53 in the morning. Today, since my friend only submitted 4 videos for the You Laugh, You Lose, we're going to be watching offensive memes that If You Laugh, You Lose version 107 of content. Oh my god, it's Jerry! That one was good.
We're skanking the rave, grown with coke, no champs in the rave. Crowd go mad when the bassline drops, it's a vibes in ting, no skank.
What is that? Monkey boxing! Monkey! Let's go! Oh no, you just gonna leave my man there. No.
Shit creepy as hell, bro. Remind me of them little gold men that be pretending, then they start moving and shit.
No. By the way, this isn't my video. This is not a video that I own. And she's also dead. No, why all they catch her? Maybe in the YouTube comments, you guys can just submit videos that you want me to watch. Take the links of your videos and just submit those in the comments. Maybe you should do that, and then I'll watch your clips. I'll do it. You can believe me. No! 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 No.
Thanks for holding the drink.
No, he wants some. What you mean?
Weird hand motion after they pluck the strings.
No, you don't got Riz. That was scary. That's from Five Below. What was that a deer? No, not you, Moai. Moa. That was a deer. Oh, now he's trying to be a little bit devious. I thought it was gonna be skeleton. Jack Skellington? He's here? Yo, that's actually really cool, but what if it speeds up? I want to know what happens because I want to ride that.
Do you know who he is? Plug in.
Oh, that could not be me. No, I'm not gonna rip that up. I'm gonna turn that in.
This is a work of art. This is a work of art.
No, what do you mean by that?
This is a work of art.
What do you mean by that? Synonym. Who asked? Better not fall off. Oh, that one was kind of cute. Train that shit. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, I hear it now. But why? Where we at? Where we at?
In the top 10 reasons why I want to.
Okay, I think we'll stop the video right here. Well, thank you all for watching. Well, and I'll see you next time when you submit your videos down there in the comments. I'm gonna move my camera down there. Yeah. Anyways, I hope you have a good day. And I'll be seeing you guys later. See